Just look at how I'm going to make small money from this very market now. Just watch what I'm about to do now. Now this is this. Let me make it $1 because of my capital strength. I enter sell. Look at this. This is a sell market. Now the current trade that is running, what we have here is this. Look at it. It's counting already. Now this is how we watch this very one. I already have this one's counting. And for some of you who don't know how to raise $5, $25, $30, I have an offer for you. If you're looking for a way to raise your dollar, raise your capital strength, I have an offer for you. You will join my signal group. You will join my signal. So I'm going to be giving out signal for a few days from now. If you want to join my VIP signal group, we will be giving out at least 3 signals every single day. You have to join that mentorship, that listing group. Okay. Now, some of you may ask me, on what ground, on what did I see that makes me to put this very market, and why should I believe you that this market is going to work in that direction? Now, when you follow the market, and if you're careful to know what market is all about, you will know that this very market here, this very market you are seeing here now, have not made a conclusion. You still have some hours inside, though that the market is pointing this very direction, but there is a higher possibility that this market will still pull back. Then if it pulls back, then it will be the next candle that may be coming from here that will take off from that very angle, not this very one you are seeing. So this one now you are seeing is expected to pull back the more. Let's check 1 hour time frame. This very one now you are seeing here now is expected to come back a little bit. At least you have to come back then to have another strength, or it will empty those things you are seeing here and give this place a strength to move off from that very direction. So that is why it is necessary that you follow the market carefully. That's why you should know what the market is doing in every single thing you are doing in life. So you have to be very, very. Now, when you look at this 15 minutes time frame, and it will surprise you that as this thing is coming up, there is a resistance zone at this very point, which may give this market a possibility of pulling back, because with the look of things, it have tried this and tried here. So this time around, it may not cross. Now, for some of you who may be questioning my decision for entering when I see that the market is skyping at that very strength, at that very momentum, that I shouldn't have entered that place. And I asked you to wait and see what will be the outcome of this. And that is why when you are trading without a capital, it will be frustrating you. Sometimes it will be forcing you out of the market when you should stay in the market. So that's the sense of you having a capital. Remember what I teach you, and some of you who are in my mentorship class, remember what I taught you, that if you are trading anything, make sure that you are staying long in the market will be dependent on the profit you have made already and not on your capital. So now this is my capital. This is my capital. Anything, and this is the risk. This is the risk I'm taking in the market. So if you check the decimal point we have there, it's not even up to the profit I am making. So have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it now? So everything, have you seen what I'm telling you? So at the close of the 15 minutes candle, the thing dropped. So now, this thing you are seeing here now, because it is good for us to be talking and we need to be live. So the whole losses you are seeing, the $7 plus something of that nature you are seeing, is now on this very position. And I'm looking forward to see more. So when you check this thing and you check what I already have in this place, you discover that what I was losing then was $7 out of the money that I was making. So my target now is that this very market should step back a little bit. This is my target now. This thing you're seeing here is my target. So this thing should step back a little bit. So as time goes on, it have to pull back, because I'm telling you that there is a resistance zone in this place which may not allow the market. Please, if you are not conversant with those things, don't try this. Please, I'm begging you, don't try this. This is a very delicate entry. Is too dangerous for you to trade in such state if you are not a good trader. It takes those who have been mentored to journey into this very space. Sometimes when I give signals in the free signal, sometimes people will think that the thing is wrong or it's a fake signal. It's not a fake signal, but the question is, how is your capital? So I will be giving out a signal. I'll be giving out signal VIP signal for men. I'll be giving a signal for serious traders. So if you are interested into that signal, it's not free, but it's a token just to for some of you want to do Easter or something of that nature. I have to give out a signal. So I just want to do it. Some people have been disturbing me, say, please give us VIP signal. We want to enroll into your signal group. So I've decided to give it a trial. So it's not going to be much. It's going to be $10, $15, $20. So when you join, so when you contact me, I have to tell you. So it depends on, I'll be giving out 3 signals every single day. For that 3 day signals every single day, it has to be $15. So if you're interested, and remember that the payment for the signal is perfect money and any crypto transfer. Perfect money and any crypto transfer. That is what we'll be using for the signal. Perfect money and crypto transfer. Any of these things, Bitcoin, anything at all, any of those things, any wallet transfer is acceptable. Please, no Skrill, no nothing, just perfect money and any other transfer, any other this thing. That is what we'll be using. So let's keep our eyes on this and see what this market is going to look like. So let's keep our eyes on it. Please follow me and see what this thing is going to look like. Sometimes when we do this thing, it looks as if we are joking. So I want you to follow me. Let's dive into this thing and see, in case you want to trade like this, and see what will be the outcome. Without any indicators, we are just doing analysis. Look at where the market is. Look at where this person is trading. Imagine that trading against the trend. The market is uptrend and this thing. And this is where people fail to understand that most times what you think is uptrend is not uptrend. When you are seeing that the market is about to reverse, it gives you an opportunity for you to make a profit. So let's see what this market is going to look like. I'm going to pause a little bit so that I will come back in a few minutes to show you. Remember where it is now is $3, and keep your eyes on this in case some of you will think that I have opened another account. Keep your eyes on this. Please remember this and remember this. Remember what you have in these places. Keep your eyes on it because I'm going to be posting it for you to see. So let's go now. Yeah, this is the thing I told us about, that each time you are looking forward to get a result in the market, you don't need to be confused because what you may be seeing may not be exactly what you wanted, but you can take advantage of those things at the right time. Now look at this thing. I showed us that as this market is now, that is going to come back. And this is the same candlestick that was moving. And the reason most people fell is that they thought that as long as it was moving to that direction, please, I showed us this thing earlier today. Just look at it, because though I delayed to show you this thing when it was somewhere here, because this thing moved down to this point, but I was busy, so I didn't check it because I was sure that it's going to drop. So that was why I paused it and I left it, and I was doing something else. So it get to a point, it was around 40 something or 30 something thereabout in this very place. So this is it. So when you are setting a target and the market looks as if it's going against you, that really means that it's going to go against you. But it depends on what you have in store. Just look at it. It depends on what you have in store. It depends on what you have in store. Just look at these things. It depends on what you have in store. That the market is going to a particular direction doesn't mean that it's going to go against you completely. When you follow the structures of the market, you will start making money. Imagine if I give you this thing as a signal, some of you will not trade it. Why? Because it's not on the right position, because it didn't look as if it's going to move accurately for them. But we that have spent time to study the market, have been trading for years, we know what we want and we know how the market operates. So I show us those things, that this thing you are seeing here now is going to move down, but people didn't believe us. Why? Because someone will say that you are trading against the trend. No, sir. We have seen this market is about to reverse. So what we need to do is to take advantage of it. Since we have confirmed it from the next moving average, and I was not using moving average in this very thing, but I was moving a pure candlestick pattern for you to see that it is possible for you to trade and make your money without applying too many indicators or those things. This is one of the things. This is what makes big boy who they are. So now, like I said earlier, I'll be giving out a signal group. So if you are interested in that signal, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description of this very video. I'm going to be dropping a link in the description of this very video. If you are interested, I'm going to be dropping a link in this very video. But before that, chat me up on the WhatsApp that is in this video and tell me that you are interested. I'll be giving out 3 signals every single day. 3 signals every single day. So the payment method is you'll be using perfect money or you do transfer, but I don't accept Skrill, I don't accept NetPal or whatever, PayPal, no. So it is perfect money or any crypto payment. That is what is acceptable. So if you are interested, chat me up on my WhatsApp, tell me that you are interested, is commenting as soon as possible. So if you are interested in that very signal, it's not free, but I will be giving out 3 signals every single day, except the day there will be no network or there will be bad market that day. I'll be giving out on volatility, I'll be giving out on stepping desk, I'll be giving out on boom and crash, I'll be giving out on any of the range or those things. So the signal is for everyone that want to grow their account, and if you want to make profits every single day, this signals is purely for you. So get ready. If you are interested in that, get ready. You can make money in this very forex as long as trading is concerned. So I'll be waiting for this market, but I don't think I should be holding any longer. So I'll be waiting for it, because where I'm looking forward is that if this thing did not break out from here anymore, if we didn't break out from there, maybe start coming to this point, then I will be thinking of closing. But for now, I should be resting for now. So please, if you're interested in the signal, I'll be giving us signals. I'll be giving us signal. I want to make, a lot of people have been disturbing me, say, please, can you give us signal? So I'll be up, chat me up on our WhatsApp group. I'm creating a VIP signal group. I'm creating a VIP, so VIP. So please, if you're interested in that VIP signal group, it's not free signal group, it's for VIP. So if you're interested, very important persons, if you are interested in that, chat me up on my WhatsApp group. I'll be dropping signals 3 times to 4 times every single day, except there will be a day maybe there will be no network, or the market is too bad not to receive signal. So that is what I'm going to be doing. My name is Gdfx. I want you to stay connected and stay profitable.